Hi, my name is Maria Bruck and I'm the owner of Sew Hippy and Designer's Outpost, and I've been a commercial embroiderist for about 7 years, and I wanted to start doing these videos to help new embroiderists and people who are out there for motivation, for tips, and some new things and things that I provide in my shop to help you expand your business. And if you have any questions, just send me a text or PM me on the Facebook Messenger app, and I will respond to you as soon as I can. Thank you. Welcome back. Just want to give you some tips as the first instructional video for embroidery, and you can do more obviously in your business because I provide many services for my clients. The first thing I did was came up with a name, got some business cards. I did change my name throughout the year until I found something I really loved, but don't let that stop you. Other things that I have found really important is this little white pencil. It's like a chalk pencil with a little thing on the back. I really never use that other than when I need it. But this little ruler, which some seamstresses know what this is, it's like a hem ruler. For me, this is an integral part of my design, of my working. Oil. My technician says you got to have oil. I buy mine from Madeira. I'm not going to really sponsor anybody here, but I will tell you the products I use. I use the Madeira machine oil. It's really important. I also buy these little squeeze tubes at my suppliers. My techs seem to like these, but you have to then fill them up, and that can be messy. I have the machine oil tube container, which you fill up, and then you can move this thing in and out and put it in the red dots of the machine. That's where your oil goes, and into your bobbin. But when your bobbin starts making funny sounds, it's usually because it needs oil. I did, after many years, buy some applique scissors. I don't know what I did without them before that, but they're a great tool, and my snips. So with those, you can actually do embroidery. The other great tool I found, other than traditional hoops, were these magnetic hoops. I do a lot of Letterman jackets, a lot of monogramming, and a lot of logo wear. And if I didn't have this, I would have been in trouble. But these things are amazing. They can hurt you though, but they do save you time and effort and make hooping much more enjoyable. Okay, I'll be back in a little bit.